Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to see who viewed your Instagram profile. For starters, we need to open the Instagram app on our phones. From here, you need to click your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, we need to navigate to the three horizontal line located at the top right corner of your screen. And you need to look to Insight. Tap on it. Now take note, Instagram will not show you exactly who are those people who viewed your profile, but it will show you how many who viewed your profile. You just need to click on views. In my case, I have 36 views, which is 100% of them is my follower. Now, there's a second way to see who viewed your post or your profile. You just need to go back to your profile, click on a specific post, and navigate to the three dots located at the top right corner of the post, and click on Insight again. And it will show you how many who interacted and viewed on that specific post. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!